The filmmaking world has been waiting for this. The brand new Sony FX3 is finally here, and it's shaping up to be one of the biggest upgrades for creators and filmmakers alike. Building on the massive success of the original FX3, this new model brings a redesigned full-frame sensor, better low-light performance, improved color science, extended recording reliability, and pro-level workflow integration, all packed into a rugged, compact cinema body. From stunning dynamic range to next-level autofocus, the FX3 isn't just an incremental update, it's a true leap forward for anyone serious about filmmaking. Let's take a first look at why this camera is being called a game-changer for 2025. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The filmmaking industry has been evolving at a rapid pace, and one of the biggest names pushing that evolution forward is Sony. Known for delivering some of the most innovative cinema and mirrorless cameras in the market, Sony has once again caught the attention of filmmakers worldwide with the arrival of the Sony FX3. The original FX3 already carved out a special place in the world of compact cinema cameras by offering a rare balance between portability, cinematic image quality, and professional-grade features. Now, with the FX3, Sony has doubled down on that formula, presenting a device that feels like a dream upgrade for content creators, indie filmmakers, and even professional production houses who need a secondary powerhouse camera. From the first look, it is clear that the FX3 is not just an incremental update but a meaningful leap forward, bringing new technology, refined ergonomics, and advanced software tools into a small but robust body that continues to make filmmaking more accessible and powerful at the same time. The first thing that stands out when you see the FX3 is how much Sony has learned from the feedback of the filmmaking community. The FX3 was already praised for its compact form factor and ability to deliver cinematic results without the bulk of larger cinema rigs. However, filmmakers often demanded more flexibility, longer recording times, improved dynamic range, and most importantly, smarter integration of software tools for professional workflows. Sony has answered those demands with the FX3. Early hands-on reports highlight that the new model brings a redesigned sensor with better low-light sensitivity, an updated color science that matches more closely with higher-end cinema cameras like the FX6 and Venice line, and upgraded internal processing that allows for higher frame rate recording, improved codecs, and extended shooting reliability. These updates may seem technical on the surface, but for a filmmaker in the field, they translate into smoother shoots, richer visuals, and less compromise when working with a compact system. Looking at the build, the FX3 keeps the beloved modular design philosophy intact, with multiple mounting points built directly into the body, making it easy to rig without requiring a traditional cage. This is a huge benefit for filmmakers who need to travel light or shoot in fast-paced environments where time is critical. The body itself is rugged, weather-sealed, and designed to handle long days of production, from desert heat to urban rain. Sony has also improved the heat dissipation system, ensuring that overheating is far less of a concern even when recording in demanding formats like 4K 120p or high bitrate ProRes. This improvement alone is a game-changer for filmmakers who shoot extended takes, interviews, or live events, where reliability is non-negotiable. Another area where the FX3 takes a big leap forward is autofocus performance. Sony's autofocus system has already been industry